My name's Alan Hart, and today I've been called out to an Ideal, and the Ideal's got a LF fault on it. This boiler is 7 years old. The expansion vessel is faulty and needs charging up, and it's got a few issues with this. It's been in now for 7 years, about 7 years, and I just want to show you the installation. So let's have a look at it now. So as I say, on this, it's got a fault. It's an LF fault, and when the heating comes on, this pressure gauge goes right up to 3, and it starts to leak out. The PRV, the blow off pipe, is here, and it's not been connected. And what happens is, if you can see there, you can see water, you can see a stain there, and the electrics underneath. So what's happening is, as the boiler gets hot, the expansion goes up on here, it leaks out of here, and it leaks directly onto electrics. As we can see, it's not the best install in the world. It's also got wires. This wire should be in a wall rather than, you should use flex on this. So it's certainly not a very good install. And then if we have a look at the flue, there's no clips. There's no clips on the flue here. What we'll do, we'll just go up in the loft. The customer has said that nobody's ever been up in the loft before. So what we'll do, we'll just go and have a look up in the loft, and I'll just show you the flue. A little bit awkward to get up here, but I'll just show you. So if we look at the flue, again, the flue's got no clips on it, and it's been connected with cable ties, and then it goes up front loft with cable ties. So there's no support on that flue at all. If we look at condensate as well, see where it comes out. It comes out in just overflow pipe, and it did just go into gutter, but now it just drips down here and drips down wall. So obviously that would need updating and needs to go to a drain somewhere. And the only drain we've got actually on this is down here, over here. So that'd need updating from there, above doorway, and then down to drain there. So again, that'd need updating. I'll just go to the other side, I'll just show you flue's up there. As we see, it's in the middle of the house, and the gas is just in this cupboard here. The gas is in this cupboard here. Again, it's not supported. So we'd need to, or this would need updating. And we need to somehow get this back into house. So if we was going to update this boiler, we'd have to put a new pipe from here for the blow off, for the PRV. We'd have to go down here, and then we'd have to lift all these floors up here, and then we'd take it out at wall maybe over there, or we could maybe follow where that condensate pipe goes as well. But we can also see the gas would also need updating, because most boilers that are a 30 kilowatt boiler would need a 22mm gas supply, so that would need updating. On this as well, we can see there's no clips, so the gas here doesn't have any clips on it. So obviously that'd all need updating as well if the customer decided to go for a new boiler. So as I said, be interested to see what people think and what they would do in this situation. What I'd like to ask is, if in the comments below, if you could put what you would recommend for this customer, and then what I'll do is I'll tell you what I've recommended, and a lot of people might be quite surprised at what I have actually recommended. But yeah, if you had some comments below and tell me what you would recommend this customer does. So bearing in mind it needs a new expansion vessel, maybe we could obviously put a remote one in if we needed to. It needs the PRV updating, and that's quite tricky because this boiler is in the middle of the house, so getting the pipe out wouldn't be the easiest job. Yeah, and it needs the fault sorting out as well, the LF fault. So as I say, if you could put some comments below and let me know what you would do. And thanks for watching. I just missed off as well, it'd also need the flue updating or supporting. Obviously we wouldn't want to leave them cable ties in. Every time I see them cable ties I just burst out laughing. I've never seen that like that before. And I've seen some stuff in this job, but I've never seen cable ties on a flue before. Yeah, alright, thanks very much. Comments below and please subscribe. Thank you.